What's going on with the Lunar Classic price and what's going on with USTN and all of this excitement that's going around this new stablecoin? I want to talk to you about my thoughts. I have been doing a little bit of research into it. So far, it seems like this proposal is just a proposal so far. UST will be airdropped. USTN will be airdropped to current USTC holders 1-to-1, and the LFG and TFL will not be airdropped because they currently hold about 50% of the supply. So we don't want them controlling anything of this new one. And then about 60 or 75, 70, 60, whatever, around that number percent will be backed by wrapped Bitcoin. Now, I'm just going to say it. I don't think this is a great idea at all. I don't think implementing another algorithmic, they're not even referring to it as a stable coin anymore. They're referring to it as a token, a stable token or something like that, which makes more sense and gives people less of an idea that it's actually stable. But if you're going to back a stable coin, it needs to be backed more than 100%. I think that if we're going to do a stable coin, it needs to be backed by 200%, 300% Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops 50%, we're not in a position where, again, this stable token coin, whatever you want to call it, is in a position where it could drop more. So I don't think that we should be doing this unless it's minimum 200% backed. Like Bitcoin stable, I say, but like if it's 200% backed by Bitcoin and Bitcoin drops to 10K right now, we're still 100% backed. So that's what I would think would be a better idea than 60 to 70%. Now, I'm sure there's a lot more to it, but this is just my 2 pence or 2 cents on what I think my initial idea on this. I know a lot of people aren't very happy with the proposal. And yeah, again, it's just a proposal. So those are just my thoughts on the very first ideas around this. Jumping on to Terra Classic. Now we are sitting at just below the 0.003 mark, down 0.04 today. Coin market cap overall down 0.7%, still under that $1 trillion mark. If you didn't know, BNB actually suffered from a hack today, and hundreds of millions of dollars was stolen. Down 3% today and trending. It could be an opportunity to check out BNB. It could be a nice buy the dip opportunity if you guys want to accumulate BNB. I do think that BNB will be around for a long time, along with other exchange tokens. So that's definitely something that I'm looking at. I haven't bought any. I don't currently hold a lot of BNB. I hold it small amounts for fees and things like that, but I don't have a large position in it at all. XRP on the week seems to be pretty much the winner apart from Bitcoin up here because of this news. On the 90 days up 42%, so doing very, very well. The news that the SEC case may be coming to a close, but basically everything in the red today. Looking at the Bitcoin chart just quickly here on BitGet, I did speak about this trade opportunity we had yesterday. Double top forming here, and if we were to break this neckline here, could be an opportunity for a short, hoping for around a 2% gain. There, 10x leverage would give you a 20% gain. That's what we would aim for here. We only really got from that break around a 1% move, so still 10% gains if you did get involved in that. But I actually did open my position up here and I got a relatively nice gain there of 42%, doing a quick short position. I also made some gains on Lunar Classic the other day, longing that 52%. So if you guys do want to make the best of the market situation, listen, I'm going to make profit whether or not the market goes up or down. That's my plan. So if you guys do want to do something similar and you are already experienced trader, you can take advantage of the bonuses that BitGet is giving you right now. Over $4,400 worth of bonuses, plus another $10 if you guys want it in UST that you can use to practice your trading here on the futures account. So even if you are new, you can sign up and you can even use their demo trading account that you guys can find on the platform. Now, with that said, we do have the Lunar Classic chart here at 0.0029532. Very much staying in line with these supports and resistance that we've drawn over the last few weeks. Coming up to retest the 0.03, but getting rejected pretty harshly here, which does mean that the bears are more likely in control of the price right now. Coming down to retest the 0.0027 is very much on the cards in my opinion. I would love to see this hold because as you can see, we did actually hold it up here, and this held surprisingly well in my opinion so far. So this region here could be some consolidation that we're seeing, gearing up for another move, hopefully upwards. Right now I can't see anything telling me exactly what is going to happen, but if we do zoom out to the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we were in a pretty clear downtrend here, which we have actually broken broken out of. So hopefully this could be maybe a retest down to these mid 0028 region, and then to head up, creating a higher low here, and then heading up. Something along the lines of this would be awesome. Would probably actually see more resistance coming in around these regions, resistance, that sort of stuff. But hopefully we do see some more bullish momentum coming into Lunar Classic. Please do chill out though, guys. Like, we don't need to consistently see 100% moves. This is a move of 100, 90%. That's a 90% move. We saw a 500% move back here. We don't need to continually see this for a coin to not be dead, as the commenters would have you believe. So chill out. Over on the Lunic Penguins, we are seeing the 1.2% burn tax continue to creep upwards. We will see Binance burning more, hopefully at the beginning of next week. We can see myself there, Connor Kenny, and this community at 7.2 million Lunar Classic burned. If you do want to help out the channel, smash up that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a little comment down there saying whatever you like, because I do read each and every one of those comments. Trust me, I go through them. Now, guys, I also want to remind you that this whale that we've been tracking here on the channel did actually sell some of its Bitcoin yesterday. They did accumulate around 2,000, but selling about 50% of that, meaning that they made about $500 per Bitcoin on this little trade that they've done, and that's about $500,000 profit. So that's nothing to shy away from. Maybe they don't know what's going to happen in the CPI data that we're going to get here on October 13th, or maybe they do. Maybe they're gearing up for that. So do play it safe. Don't be dumping your money into the market. Chill out, right? We don't need to be doing that. What we want to be doing is buying when the market is fearful, very, very fearful, which really the Lunar Classic market isn't. So short-term trading, definitely an opportunity there on BitGet. You can short-term trade Lunar Classic, which is, of course, something that I personally do. And yeah, hopefully we can make some gains, whether or not this market continues to go up or trends downwards. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.